It's up to the Lord. Man, there's no time to sleep. Wake up and work on the stream and kick up your self-esteem. Work through the music for scene. Don't let it be a pipe dream, like Ben and Kardashian Kim. The road harder than it seemed. Talent that praise the key. You broke, you need the team. The game full of wannabes. Be unique like reaching and fleeing, and never be too extreme, and end up a violent stream, and losing your theme and ream. Load up your laser beam, in case they make a scene. These niggas you mean, like Sasa Manis, Slay Queens, when I ground like a top marine. The future